Hello guys. Welcome to Reviwlux. Today we have brought you some more unique and technical tools that will help you make your day-to-day work easier. There are many other unique devices such as a Bluetooth speaker, a wireless charger, a smart notebook, a smart vacuum and a quadcopter. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. One thing to say before you go is if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, come to the red button below and click on the bell icon. So let's go to the video. This is Reviwlux. Fire TV Recast. Fire TV Recast is a DVR that lets you watch and record over-the-air TV at home with Fire TV or Echo Show, or on the go with a compatible mobile device, with no monthly fees. Enjoy live sports, local news, late-night shows, and other can't-miss TV from channels available through an HD antenna sold separately. Record your favorite shows and sports from channels available in your area through an HD antenna like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, PBS, and the CW. With 4 tuners, you can record up to 4 shows at once. Plus, store up to 150 hours of HD programming. With a compatible Alexa-enabled device, use your voice to search for shows, control the channel guide, and manage recordings. The HD antenna connects to Fire TV Recast so you can access and record free over-the-air TV. The Fire TV mobile app helps you place the HD antenna for the best possible reception. Enjoy your favorite entertainment anywhere, reliably stream your live and recorded shows in HD from Fire TV Recast to your compatible devices.
Here's Boom Bluetooth speaker. Grab the super portable wireless speaker built for adventure. Seriously waterproof with balanced 360-degree sound, deep bass, and one-touch music controls, it's the ultimate go-anywhere speaker. Boom 3 delivers loud and immersive 360-degree sound with deep and accurate bass, all carefully balanced so you can hear every note. Rechargeable battery stays powered and pumping tunes for 15 hours. Waterproof, floats and virtually indestructible. Play, pause, skip and control any streaming music directly.
Dropping drone. Thanks to the built-in live video HD camera, you'll get a high-definition aerial view of your flight direct to your mobile device so you can view the amazing footage your drone captures. The real-time transmission is seamlessly transmitted over a stable 2.4 GHz frequency. As the drone takes to the sky, watch the video on your mobile device and record video or take photos, even from a distance. When the drone is flying in headless mode, simply press the 1-key return button and the drone will fly back to you. With these functions, you can easily control this drone and you'll never lose it. Install the iOS or Android app on your smartphone, then connect to the drone via Wi-Fi to watch a real-time video of your drone's flight and share it with friends. By clicking on the VR icon to turn on the mobile phone split screen mode. Wear VR glasses to experience real-time transmission 3D visualization. Press the function button and push the right-hand stick in any direction. The drone will flip accordingly. You can continuously perform these roles for great action and fun.
Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. The Everlast notebook provides a classic pen and paper experience, yet is built for the digital age. Although it feels like a traditional notebook, the Everlast is endlessly reusable and connected to all of your favorite cloud services. When you write using any pen from the Poly Friction line, your writing sticks to Everlast pages like regular paper. But add a drop of water and the notebook erases like magic. We designed the Everlast for those who want an endlessly reusable notebook to last for years, if not a lifetime. The Everlast has pages made with synthetic materials that provide an extremely smooth writing experience. No more wasting paper. This 48-page environmentally friendly notebook can be used endlessly by wiping clean with a damp cloth. Blast your handwritten notes to popular cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, Box, OneNote, Slack, iCloud, email and more using the free Rocketbook application for iOS and Android. Allow 15 seconds for ink from any Pilot Friction pen, marker, or highlighter to dry in order for it to bond to our specialized pages. Sophisticated IE technology allows you to use Rocketbook's smart titles, smart search, and email transcription for easier naming and searching for your notes. Includes one Rocketbook mini size 3.5 x 5.5 notebook, one Pilot Friction pen, and one microfiber cloth.
Buy with confidence. Electrofane Classic is designed in the USA and backed by a 1000-day satisfaction guarantee. Original design provides 10 fan sounds and 10 ambient noise variations, including white noise, pink noise and brown noise. Helps block disruptive environmental noises so you or your little one can fall asleep with ease. Safe, solid-state design is powered by ACT or USB and dynamically creates unique, non-repeating sounds without moving parts. For sleep, rest, and relaxation. The steady relaxing sound of a fan or white, pink or brown noise can help you get to sleep more quickly and stay asleep longer by helping you tune out the environmental noises that might otherwise wake you at night. For work, study, and privacy, using Electrofane in your office or study area can help you focus, so you can get to work and get things done. It's also a simple solution for improving privacy and helping make sure that your conversations don't distract others. For your family and for you, lots of our customers report that they use Electrofane in their baby or toddler's room to block distracting noises and create a peaceful environment. Better sleep for your little ones can mean better sleep for you and a happier family. Precise volume control allows you to set the perfect level for your unique environment. Compact and portable.
Anchor Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Included in the Best Robot Vacuums of 2019 by Tom's Guide. All new RoboVac. Re-engineered to be the slimmest RoboVac 2.85, but with quiet operation and increased suction power at 1300 PA. Boostique technology. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. A quiet clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Premium features. Anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. Automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. RoboVac combines a dual layer filter and one high-performance filter to achieve a clean home. Multiple cleaning modes and a preset vacuuming time ensure an effortless, thorough clean while you do other things or nothing at all. A large 0.6L dust box holds more dirt per clean to reduce the frequency of emptying. What you get? RoboVac 11 seconds, remote control, 2Ah batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty.
Oculus Quest VR. Oculus Quest 2 is our most advanced all-in-one VR system yet. Next level hardware, make every move count with a blazing fast processor and our highest resolution display. All-in-one gaming, with backward compatibility, you can explore new titles and old favorites in the expansive Quest content library. Immersive entertainment, get the best seat in the house to live concerts, groundbreaking films, exclusive events and more. Quest 2 requires your Facebook account to log in, making it easy to meet up with friends in VR and discover communities around the world. Easy setup, just open the box, set up with the smartphone app and jump into VR. No PC or console needed. Requires wireless internet access and the Oculus app free download to set up the device. Premium display, Catch every detail with a stunning display that features 50% more pixels than the original Quest. Ultimate Control. Redesigned Oculus Touch controllers transport your movements directly into VR with intuitive controls. PC VR compatible. Step into incredible Oculus Rift titles by connecting an Oculus Link cable to a compatible gaming PC. Oculus Link cable sold separately. With Oculus Quest 2, there's no end in sight to what you can play, create and discover in virtual reality.
Desk Headphone Hanger. The Brainwaves Hangia is an innovative headphone hanging solution that's suitable for large or small headphones. Constructed from metal with adjustability that allows clamping on both vertical and horizontal surfaces. The adjustability means its dimensions can adapt to fit on multiple surfaces, giving you more flexibility to locate the hanger where you need it most. Made from high-quality metal, durable and strong, capable of holding lightweight to very heavy headphones without bending or breaking, making it a strong headphone stand. No glue, no mess, adjustable design allowing to fit onto desks and tables of different thickness. Rotatable design allowing to be used on horizontal or vertical surfaces. Hex Allen key tool needed, not included in the package. Unique and stylish, will look good in any setting, be it at home, work, school or cyber cafe. Designed for reliability and long life that allows you to store your precious audio equipment in a safe and secure manner, always there and ready for action when you are.
Anker wireless charger. Enjoyed by over 50 million users worldwide, our leading technology will change the way you charge. Instantly charge your phone or earbuds simply by placing them in the center of PowerWave pad. Don't fumble with your phone case.